liner. Can you tell me what these black blotchy spots all over the bottom of my pool liner might be?
Typically one of two things. Either it's, number one, copper in the water, or iron in the water sometimes can appear as black spots on a liner, but usually it's black algae. What happens with black algae versus green algae, which is in the water and attaches to the surface, black algae actually grows through the liner and into the ground underneath. So if they come and they go, would indicate maybe what it is. If they're just growing in size, it's an indication as well. But it's going to be one of two things. It's either going to be black algae in the water, which you're going to need to treat it with heavy dosages of a black algicide for a long period of time. It's not an easy fix or an easy thing to take care of, but it has to be. Those spots have to be scrubbed, and you have to use high levels of a black algicide for a long period of time. If it's metals, you're going to have to use metal treatments in the water, and each metal treatment you use is different, so you'd have to follow those instructions. But first thing first, I think I would do is get the water in and get it tested and see, is anything out of whack? If the metals aren't out of whack, pH and chlorine and all of that stuff are normal, then it's likely a black algae situation, and you're going to have to follow the dosage and the rate with the black algicides until you take care of the problem. If you in fact can take care of the problem, because sometimes black algae is almost impossible to take care of.